to the Countess and Kristoff Variety Channel. So, one of the things that I really miss about living in my own home, and now that I'm renting, is I no longer have a large pantry. And every year I would always make myself some canned goods and homemade pickles and things of that sort to get me through the winter. Well, just because I live in an apartment doesn't mean I have to give up those things. I can still have homemade pickles. I just can't make them in the huge quantities that I used to. So the best way to do that is refrigerator pickles. And one of my favorite ones to make all the time is pickled onions. They're really great, crunchy, full of flavor, and they go just about with anything. On top of a nice salad, in a sandwich, on a top of a melt. I mean, uses are endless. So I'm going to show you how to make those today. Really easy. So the onions that we're going to be using are red onions. Since we're making just a small batch, you only need one. All you're going to do is you're going to slice it into thin slices, and then you're going to put it into an ice water bath. So you're going to get a bowl, fill it up with water, ice cubes, and a sprinkling of salt. This will make sure that when you make your pickles, they'll be nice and crunchy for the next couple weeks while you devour them. Another thing that's really cool to add to this is I like to take some limes and I'll make some thin slices. They add a bit of tartness and, I don't know, tangy zestiness to the pickles that is really quite unexpected. You're also going to need a couple of spices, whole peppercorns, and whole coriander. Just a couple of things to make it really have a different flavor. You can optionally add different cloves and things like that. There's really not a lot of other ingredients in the pickled onions other than white vinegar. There's 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lime juice and 1/2 cup of water. Really simple. But first things first, we gotta make our slices and put them in that cold water bath. Alright guys, and there you have it. Easy refrigerator red onion pickles. Let this cool at room temperature on your counter until it's cold to the touch, and then you can pop it in the fridge and it'll keep for about 6 months. And you can enjoy it anytime you like. Anytime you run out, just make a new batch. Alright, thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit a like button down below if you like the video. Leave a comment if you'd like to see me make any more pickles or preserves or canned goods that I used to make before. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab. And turn on those notifications so you never get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for joining me. See you in the lab next time. Bye.